So I'm often asked about how to access your close to my heart digital art files once you have purchased them through your Maker website, and from there how to upload them into Cricut Design Space. So I thought I'd pop on here real quick and give you a little tutorial on how to do that. So first of all, I'm on my close to my heart website, and if I want to purchase digital art, I'll go over here to shop and scroll down to the different categories and find where it says digital art and click on that. And then all the beautiful digital art collections come up on your screen. So you just choose the one that you want. And there are so many beautiful ones in here. Some are really inexpensive. Here are the floral frame digital art for just $1. You can't beat that. And then of course we have all the digital art collections that coordinate with our current catalog collections. So just simply make your purchase, and then I'll show you where to go from there once you've made your. So once you've made your purchase, come back onto your sign into your, make sure you're signed in, excuse me, onto your website. Go to up here in the upper right hand corner, click on account. And then that should bring you to your account. You scroll over here on the left hand side and it says digital library. Click on there and everything you've purchased will come up here onto your digital art collection files. So then you just go to download, click download, and then it downloads to your computer. And then you have to, I'm assuming you know how to find your files from there and how to upload your files. So once you have downloaded your files onto your computer, you open up Cricut Design Space, go to the new project. So you get the Design Space window here. Go over here to the left, bottom left, click on where it says upload. Then you get this window. You come over here to where it says upload image, click on that. And you go over here to browse. You need to know where you saved your file. And I put mine on my desktop. So I'm going to click desktop and SVG downloads, close to my heart, floral frame. And there it is. The frame that I just downloaded pops into the design window and it gets this checkered background, which is fine. You want that, that's fine. And then over here, you see it has a name, it says floral frame. And then I usually like to add close to my heart. And then I can put some tags on it, like, let's see, how about floral, how about frame, oops, how about close to my heart. Then we will go down here to the lower right and just upload. And that will just take a second. And there it is. It's in your, it's in all your recent uploads. And then you can see all the things that you have recently uploaded. Now let's talk about how do I get that image onto my work surface here in Cricut Design Space. Let's say I want to start making a project. So you have to make sure you have a new window open here. And then you go over here to your toolbar on the left-hand side and click Images. Okay, and then I just go to Browse All Images. And then over here on the left, you have some more filters. And you want not the purchased one. That means that's things that you have purchased from the Cricut website itself. What you want is the uploaded images because you just uploaded that from a different site. So you click Uploaded, and then all the images that you have uploaded appear here in this window. And then from there, you simply choose the image that you want. So in this case, let's just choose that floral frame like I just purchased. Go over here, add to canvas. There it is. And it comes in pretty big. It comes in all as one piece. If you want to ungroup it, take it apart, resize it, you can do all those things by clicking and dragging um, moving it around on your design space. So there you go. That's how you get your files that you have purchased from the Close to My Heart website, and that's how you import them into your Cricut Design Space. I hope that uh, helps you and answers any questions that you might have. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to drop me a comment down below, and I'd be happy to help you with any questions that you have. For now, thanks for joining me.